here we are back with another lesson, okay? All right, now, if you remember when we started, our first project was the landscape, right? So landscape has something very important in it, okay? You probably remember me saying that word, space. Now, when we talk space in art, space for us, artists, is not the space there where you have rockets and stars. No, space in art is something like this. You see? You look at on the front, things are bigger. You look at on the back, things are smaller. So that's what we did with our first landscape. So that's what we're going to move on now that you know how to make your 3D house. So we're going to make a landscape with the 3D houses. But we're going to use 3 different sizes to create that illusion of space, which means when you look at your painting, your drawing, your coloring, your art, it looks like there's a real space, okay? All right, so keep on it. We gonna go from now on. Right, first graders, my fellow artists, here we go. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw that 3D house again. So I'm gonna start with a big 3D house at the bottom of my paper, okay? All right, so you remember how to do that 3D house? Okay, now I'm gonna make a house that is not too small. It's kind of like, you know, a little smaller, but I'm not gonna put in the same line. I'm gonna make the house be a little back, okay? So instead of making the small house here, I'm gonna make up. So right in here. Now, see, I created space between the 2 houses because this one is smaller and it's far in the back, okay? Okay, now I have 2 houses. One is far from the other. So I am going to add a horizon line. Remember that horizon line, that line that goes all the way in the back? So look, I'm gonna go behind the house. See? Behind the house, behind the house. Now, I'm going to put a tiny little house on top of the horizon line, okay? So that house is going to be far, far, far away. Look at that. Huh, see that? So I am just creating the illusion of space. Now I can add things. For example, if I want a big tree close to the big house, if I want a medium-sized tree to the medium house, a tree there is going to be very little. If I want to put a road, it's going to be like the way we did the river. See? I can start like this. Right? Okay? And then I will just keep moving and adding things. But just keep in mind, to create space, we will do whatever is big in the front. In the middle, it should be medium size. Whatever is far, far away, you're going to make smaller. All right, first graders? I want to see yours now with the houses. And when you do it, make sure your color, remember how you use your value, so you can add color. When you're coloring, just remember, use different colors to show it 3D. Okay? Bye-bye.